Hey parents, I have a riddle for you. How can your kid have less money but feel more rich? Sounds impossible, right? But it's true. Let me tell you about a kid named Marcus. He had $20. He gave away $10 to help people. Now he only has $10. But guess what? He says he feels richer than before. How is that possible? If you've ever wondered how to teach children generosity without guilt, pressure, or lectures, this video is for you. Many parents notice something interesting. When children learn to give intentionally, they often become more thoughtful about using their money. Study from Harvard, kids who regularly donate to charity develop higher empathy levels, better emotional regulation, stronger sense of purpose, greater life satisfaction. Today, I'm sharing the research-backed benefits of teaching your kids generosity alongside financial literacy. This creates kids who are both smart and kind with money. Let's discover why giving makes you richer. There's an approach called as the three-jar system. It's simple, visual, and easy to use at home. Here's how the jars are used. Jar number 1. Save. This jar is for money your kid has kept aside for future goals, like a bike, a video game, or a special trip. Jar number 2. Spend. This jar is for money the child can use right now on things they want, like candy, small toys, or stickers. Jar number 3. Share. This jar is for money the child gives away to help other people, like donating to animal shelters, helping kids who don't have toys, or giving to your church or temple. Now, we have understood about the save and spend jars in previous videos. But the share jar, that's the magic jar. That's the jar that makes you feel rich even when you have less money. Let me show you why. Let me share a situation many parents recognize. A child receives a small amount of money and plans to buy something they've been wanting for a while. On the way, they notice a donation box explaining that a small amount can help someone else. For example, providing a warm meal or winter clothing. The child pauses. Giving would mean not buying the item right now. At this point, most adults assume the child will feel disappointed if they give the money away. But something interesting often happens. When the child chooses to give part of the money, even though they now have less to spend, they frequently describe feeling proud, calm, and unexpectedly satisfied. The child hasn't lost money, they've experienced purpose. And this feeling, understanding that money can help others, is one of the foundations of healthy financial behavior later in life. This is why the share jar matters. Not because children should give everything away, but because it teaches them that money isn't only about consumption. When people give voluntarily, the brain releases special chemicals called happy chemicals, which are associated with reward and connection. Scientists did a study. They gave people money and told some people to spend it on themselves, and told other people to spend it on someone else. Guess which group was happier? The people who gave their money away. They felt happier than the people who kept it. For children, this experience helps connect money to values, not just consumption. This doesn't mean children should give all their money away. It means they learn that money can serve more than one purpose. All right, parents, give your child a challenge called the 3-jar challenge. Here's how it works. Step 1, get 3 jars or containers. Label them save, spend, and share. Make them colorful and fun. Step 2, every time the child gets money, allowance, birthday money, money from chores, ask them to divide it into the 3 jars. Here's a good split. 40% goes to save, saving for big goals. 40% goes to spend, fun stuff now. 20% goes to share, helping others. The exact percentages matter less than consistency. What matters is that children see. they still get to enjoy their money. They are trusted with decisions. Giving is planned, not forced. Kids who only keep money for themselves feel good when they buy things, but feeling goes away fast. Kids who save, spend, and share feel good when they buy things, feel great when they help others, feel proud of saving for goals, feel rich inside and outside. For parents, a common question is where the share jar money can go. At younger ages, it helps to offer a few simple options rather than an open-ended list. These might include local animal shelters, libraries or school supply drives, orphanages or NGOs, old age homes, temples or faith organizations. What matters most is not the category itself, but that the child understands who the money helps and why it matters. When children are involved in choosing, with guidance, giving feels meaningful rather than forced. A few things make this work better. Let children choose where shared money goes. Avoid shaming them for wanting to keep money. Talk about your own giving decisions out loud. Treat generosity as a skill, not a moral test. Children learn generosity the same way they learn saving, through example and repetition. For parents watching, this section focuses on why teaching generosity alongside financial literacy supports long-term development. Research in developmental psychology shows that when children practice intentional giving, they often develop stronger emotional regulation, empathy, and purpose over time. I've created a free printable worksheet to help families discuss saving, spending, and sharing together. You'll find the link in the description. This isn't about raising children who give everything away. It's about raising children who understand money and responsibility. Thanks for watching. I'm Money Girl. See you next time.